DCM Shriram in Defense Sector. Here is a detailed summary of DCM Shriram Industries Limited and its involvement in the defense sector in India, based on available public sources. If you want, I can also provide recent news or contracts beyond what's documented already. About DCM Shriram Industries Limited, DSIL. DCM Shriram is a diversified Indian company. Its businesses include sugar, chemicals, industrial fiber, engineering, etc. It has a fairly large turnover, till 8,000 crore rupees, in recent years. Entry into defense and key activities. DCM Shriram has been expanding into defense manufacturing under India's Make in India initiative. Here are the major facets of their involvement. 1. Armored Vehicles, Zebu. They have designed, developed, and manufactured multiple role tactical armored vehicle systems under the brand name Zebu. One product is the Light Bulletproof Vehicle, LBPV, Zebu, capable of operating across terrains, intended for defense and paramilitary use. The vehicles are modular, can be customized to different protection levels, e.g. Standard I or as per customer requirement. 2. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, drones. DCM Shriram has invested in the drone sector. It has an R&D facility in Delhi and licenses to manufacture defense drones. In particular, the company bought about 30% stake in Turkish drone company Zyron Dynamics, indicating a collaboration investment in drone technology. As of the last reports, their drones are in testing stage. No major scale deployments or contracts from Indian Defence Forces had been announced at that time. 3. Counter UAV, Counter Unmanned Aerial System, CUAS. DCM Shriram is working with Israeli Avnan Group Skylock to manufacture a counter UAV system, named VIP Dome Pro, or DCM Portable Counter UAV System, for the Indian market. Functionality includes detection, tracking, identification and neutralizing of UAVs, RF detector and jammer, day-night operations, high protection levels, IP67, IP66, etc. 4. Industrial licenses and authorizations. DCIL has been granted industrial licenses by the Indian government, Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, DIP, to manufacture multi-role armored vehicles, UAVs, communication equipment and optoelectronic devices. 5. Make in India, import substitution goals. Part of the strategy is import substitution, i.e. producing domestically what would otherwise be imported, especially in defense, strategic equipment. Modular design, indigenous R&D, scaling up manufacturing are central to their plan. Status, limitations, what's not yet done. Contracts, orders. As per reports up to 2022-23, DCM Shriram has not yet won a contract from the Indian Defence Forces for certain products, especially drones. Scale. Many of their products, drones, armored vehicles, are in prototype, testing or early stage. Mass production, large-scale fulfillment, or deployment are some steps ahead. Significance and potential. DCM Shriram represents the shift in India where private, or non-traditional defense, industrial houses are entering the defense manufacturing space. By having licenses to produce armored vehicles, UAVs, etc., they are positioning themselves as a potential supplier to both domestic forces and possibly export markets. The counter-drone CUAS system is an example of contemporary threats, like misuse of UAVs, being addressed by such firms. From 1,225 rupees to 1,414 rupees, more than 12% price increase, 189 rupees price increase per share on September 17, 2024.